So we designed an arm perch for my time trial bike in Paralympic cycling, and essentially what it does is it holds my left arm, which is neurologically paralyzed and has very minimal to zero function in it, in a aggressive and aerodynamic position, and allows me to ride at the speed and pace that I need to during a race. So kind of what I'm thinking is if we can put it up higher. We designed a little button at the very end of the arm perch that allows somewhat of a trigger point that goes onto the base of my wrist here and allows my fingers to kind of open up in a more relaxed and eased position, and that has reverberations throughout my entire arm. So when my fingers and hand is relaxed, so is my forearm, bicep, and shoulder, and that just allows me to focus on riding harder and putting more power to the pedals as opposed to having to worry about my finger and hand and arm. What we're working on here today is just making those slight, tiny little modifications that will just kind of eke out those few additional seconds in the time trial on the road, and hopefully put me in a position to bring home a medal for Team USA. Allison is the pioneer and at the forefront of it right now, and you can see that we as Paralympic athletes are pushing the envelope in many different ways in terms of performance and what is and isn't possible. And what we're finding with that is the potential has in terms of adaptations to allow us to perform at our physical best and our peak. This is only the beginning of the future, and obviously with Titan Robotics being one of the few that are really helping athletes like us out, you know, it's special and it's very exciting.